Alright, it is Thursday, July 9th, 2020 at 11:15 p.m. Alright guys, let's take a look at the Weather Channel. We have here the tropical storm Fay forms off North Carolina coast. Tropical storm warning issued. It says that the storm will track near the east coast through late week. The impact will be localized heavy rainfall from coastal parts of the mid-Atlantic to New England. Poor beach conditions and gusty winds are expected along parts of the mid-Atlantic and northeast coast. Tropical storm Fay has formed just off the coast of North Carolina's Outer Banks, and it is likely to bring rainfall, gusty winds, and poor beach conditions to parts of the east coast through late week as it organizes. The tropical storm warning has been issued for portions of the coast from Cape May, New Jersey, northward toward Watch Hill, Rhode Island, including Long Island and Long Island Sound. And here you see tropical storm warning for Atlantic City, Toms River, New York, Bridgeport, New London. It says Fay will bring winds of at least 40 miles per hour to parts of this area, mainly near the coast. In addition, the wind warnings flash flood watches have been issued from the Delmarva Peninsula to southern New England. The system is located a few miles off the coast of the Outer Banks of North Carolina right now, bringing gusty winds and some rainfall to the Outer Banks. Most of its thunderstorm activity is located east of the system and offshore. So here is Tropical Storm Fay, currently having 45 mile per hour winds, moving north at 8 miles per hour. It is off Cape Hatteras. By Friday, it'll be 50 miles per hour as it passes Washington. Saturday early AM, it'll be 40 miles per hour as it passes New York. Saturday at PM, 30 miles per hour as it passes Boston. And then Sunday early AM at 25 miles per hour as it heads into Canada. There's still some chance the system will close enough off the east coast that land interaction prevents it from developing into a more robust storm. The formation of Tropical Storm Fay does not change the forecast impacts along the coastline compared to the previous forecast. There will be some gusty winds, rough surf, and rip currents along the path of the low. Here's a general look at the forecast timing through Saturday. Chances are likely this forecast since there is still significant uncertainty in the exact timing and track of this system near the eastern seaboard. Thursday night, areas from the eastern North Carolina into Virginia Tidewater could see rain from Fay. Rough surf and dangerous rip currents are also expected along the coast. So we have severe thunderstorm warnings and flash flood warnings across the coast. Let's take a look at windy.com. This is the storm right here off North Carolina. Let's play it and see as it travels up the coast. It's going to be getting closer to the Washington, D.C. area and New York as it comes inland into the Washington, D.C. area. It's going to bring a lot of rain and rip currents along the coast, so be aware if you're living in these areas not to go to the beaches and go surfing or something, because that's dangerous, especially with storms coming in to the coast. Alright, let's take a look quickly here. This is Tropical Storm Fay. Tropical Storm Fay, current location 36.3 north, 74.8 west, maximum sustained winds of 45 miles per hour, and movement north at 8 miles per hour. It is a storm right now. It will be a depression by Saturday, 8 AM, and it will continue to be a depression as it heads on into Canada. Alright, let's take a look at the National Weather Service. This is tropical storm warnings off the coast here, and also flood watch for the areas of New Jersey, Delaware, southern Pennsylvania, New York City, New England, Boston, and surrounding areas of Boston. So those are flash flood watches for those areas as the storm gets closer. Let's take a look here at the satellite image of the storm right now as it's off the coast. You see it here, traveling up, getting closer to the New York and Washington, D.C. area. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hit like and subscribe for more videos, and see you guys next time. Stay safe out there. God bless.